I'm going to go over the very basic operational and cleaning instructions that you'll need to know if you're considering or have already purchased Campbell Security Screens. All that straight ahead on 2 Minutes on Film. Operating and cleaning Campbell Security Screens is very simple. After the installation, the technician will go over with you in detail all of the things that you'll need to know, including the fire egress features, the locking, and the cleaning instructions. We wanted to make a video also just as a redundant backup, so if you ever want to revert back and get these instructions again, you've got them right here on our channel. Well, let's start with the operations first. Securing your home is of paramount importance, but making sure that it's safe and secure at the same time is our #1 priority. So all Campbell Security Screens are 100% compliant with fire egress codes, and I'm going to teach you how to very easily escape should there ever be an emergency in your home. Campbell Security Screens have a built-in fire egress function. So whether it's a window or door, you're going to be able to get out of your home in an emergency should you need to. You're simply going to open your window, put your hand on the side of the screen and press. You'll activate the panic bar egress system. The screen will swing out of the way and you can easily exit the home. This feature is also used when cleaning the windows. It's very easy to re-engage. You just simply press on the outside. You'll hear a loud snapping sound as it locks into place, and that way you know it's re-secured properly. For fixed non-operational windows that do not require fire egress, we have a locking system. This enables you to clean the glass and in between the screen periodically. Inevitably, the glass will get dirty and there might be some spider webs and other things that you need to clean out. So you simply insert the key, swing the screen open, clean everything, and then re-secure it until the next time you need to clean. Sliding glass patio doors are one of the most vulnerable places in your home. They're easy to pry open, and if someone breaks the glass, it just turns into a big heavy bunch of gravel that's just going to fall out of the way. By code, they have to be tempered, and it's very difficult to apply window film and attach it securely to the frame because of the tight clearances. So for sliding glass patio doors, security screens are an excellent solution to really create a formidable barrier to entry. Standard patio door where you have a sliding side and a fixed side, you'll have 2 screens on 2 tracks. One will remain locked most of the time. That's on the fixed side. You only really need to open that side of the screen when you're cleaning the fixed side of your sliding glass door. On the operational side, this is the screen that's going to be used in daily operation. So whenever you need to clean the fixed side, you use the same key and use the same procedure I'm going to show you right now. Your sliding patio door has 2 thumb levers and 1 rotary thumb turn. The top black lever is simply to unlatch the door. So if you're not locking it and you slide it, you'll hear it latch. You simply push the black button out of the way and it unlatches and you're able to open it. In order to lock it, you simply slide the screen over, you'll hear it latch, and then you push with your thumb that chrome lever and it's locked. It's that simple. Below that chrome thumb lever is a rotary thumb turn. This is designed for those who have small children in the house. If you want to make sure that the child can't play with that chrome lock and unlatch it, simply turn that rotary thumb turn. It will latch the door and it also prevents the chrome thumb latch from being disengaged. It's just an extra precaution for small children. If you don't have small children in the home, you don't need to use a rotary thumb turn. Either way, it's a very simple operation. Once you do this a few times, you'll get it. It's very easy to do. Now, from the outside, when you need to unlock with a key, it's the same operation. You're just going to put the key in and rotate it to the left. This unlocks the door. You grab the black handle, it disengages the latch, and you open the door. For single or even double swinging doors, the procedure is equally simple. Pull the door shut, lift up on the handle, and you'll hear the locking mechanism engage. That's those upper and lower parrot beak locks that are going in and locking into the frame for that extra security. Then you simply turn the thumb turn and that locks that mechanism. Double check it just to be sure and you're good to go. So when you're on the outside and you're leaving, it's the same procedure. Close the door and you'll hear it latch. Lift up on the handle to engage the upper and lower locking mechanism. Turn the key and that locks the system. When you come home, you just insert the key, turn it the opposite direction, pull the handle down, that simultaneously unlocks and unlatches the door. Remember that your Campbell Security Screens only offer great protection when they're locked. So we highly recommend that you always lock them when you enter the home, just to be sure. You never know when you're going to need them. When you purchase Campbell Security Screens, you're going to get a complimentary microfiber cleaning mop with a little handle on it. These work really well for cleaning security screens. You just simply wipe them on the outside and then also on the inside, just around the frame. It takes a few minutes, and this is your basic cleaning maintenance. That is the basic operational and cleaning instructions for Campbell Security Screens. I hope you found this content useful. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you like this content in general, you might want to consider subscribing to our channel because we put out a new video every week. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.